I'm going to show you how to install your roller shade with exposed roll in an inside mount installation. Here are a couple things to be aware of before we really get started. First, if the shade came with a band around it holding it together, don't remove it until your installation is complete. This will keep the shade from getting damaged during installation. And second, don't attempt to operate the shade until it's fully installed. That could damage it as well. Check to make sure you have all the necessary hardware listed in your instructions. If something's missing, contact Made for Shade and we'll quickly send you a replacement part. Depending on the shade you ordered, your parts may be a little different, but that's okay. To install the shade, you'll need the following tools: a steel measuring tape, pencil, and a drill with a 5/64 size bit. With these tools, it's easy to screw in the brackets and hang these shades. All right, we're ready to get started. Now, let's mark where our brackets are going to be. Take the two brackets and put them on each side of the inside window frame. Most rollers can be mounted side or top. Make sure the bracket is flushed with the window frame for a nice look. Place the brackets at the end of the window opening and mark the hole of the brackets with a pencil. Here's an optional step that might make installation easier. With your drill fitted with the 5/64 size drill bit, pre-drill the holes for all the screws. Now line the brackets up with the markings or screw holes on the window frame and start screwing them on. Screw them on loosely at first. That will give you room to adjust if you need to make sure the brackets are straight and properly aligned. Once you've lined up the brackets, screw the screws in the rest of the way. Now it's time to put the shade on the brackets. Start with putting the spring pin end first, and then put the clutch side in the bracket, like this. Before using the shade for the first time, carefully remove the paper band. And for safety, especially for any children in the house, make sure to screw in the chain holder. Make sure to leave space for the chain to move so it doesn't interfere with the operation of the shade. To attach the chain stopper, lift up the shade and click one onto the back chain. Now close the window shade and attach a chain stopper to the front of the chain. If you ever want to remove the shade, simply roll up the shade and push back the roller to the spring side. Then slide the shade up from the clutch side like this. And that's it. Enjoy your new roller shade. If you have any questions or need support, contact us using the information below.